Wouldn't it be great if you could magically hide unsightly power cables and TV wires without having to do the drywall repair? Well, you can. Here's how. Now we're going to find the outlet that's close to the positioning of our mounted TV and remove the plate. Next, we're going to take off the baseboard. That's the key to this installation. Now, normally what you'd have to do is cut through the drywall and then expose the studs, drill holes or notch out the studs, and then run your wiring. The way we did here is not to code. We just wanted to see if it could be done. Now with the baseboard removed, you can see a trough because the drywall doesn't go all the way to the floor. That's where we're going to bury our wire. Also, we can cut a hole anywhere below the top of the baseboard line. That's going to be buried by the baseboard. A drywall saw would make this a lot easier. Cut an access hole below the outlet. Snake an electrical line from the outlet down to the floor. It's going to be hard for us to get through that. Run the electrical line along the floor. Snake it in the wall, out the hole, and that's where our new box is going to be. 6 inches away from that bracket. 6 inches is here. If you already have drywall up, you would use this kind of box as an old work box, not new work box. Flip this tab up, flip this tab down, turn the screws to tighten the box to the drywall. Trace there. Cut an access hole below your new box. Install an old work electrical box in the wall behind the TV. Squeeze it in place. Snake your electrical wire up to the new box. That's in there. Now we're going to strip our wires and make our connections. Mount your electrical receptacle. Reattach your baseboard. Make sure you don't drive brads through the wiring. Make wiring connections to new outlet. The outlet plate comes with the screw. Make sure you get a sealed package. Mount your TV mount. And extend it, hang on it, and make sure it'll support it, like so. Hang your TV. Tie that up. Plug that in. Scoot that back. Oh yeah, that is a much cleaner look. No wires, and it looks more artistic, like a framed portrait. To see how we did this board and batten wall, click the image on your screen now.